In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Video Download Helper to Chrome. By the end, you'll have the extension installed, pinned for quick access, and you'll know how to use it to download videos from supported sites. First, open Google Chrome. With Chrome running, head to the official Chrome Web Store page for Video Download Helper. This is the trusted listing where you can safely install the extension. On that page, click the Add to Chrome button. A small pop-up will appear asking for confirmation and showing the permissions the extension needs to function. Go ahead and click Add Extension to complete the installation. Once it's installed, you'll see a confirmation, and the extensions icon will be available through the Extensions menu at the top right of Chrome. Click the puzzle piece icon to open your list of extensions. Find Video Download Helper in that list and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning keeps the Video Download Helper icon visible on your toolbar so you can get to it quickly whenever you need it. Now, let's use it. Open a web page that has a video you want to save. Give the page a moment to load. In some cases, it helps to start the video so the extension can detect it. When you're ready, click the Video Download Helper icon on your toolbar. A menu will appear showing the videos it has detected on that page. You may see multiple options for different qualities and formats, such as various resolutions or file types like MP4 or WebM, depending on what the site provides. Choose the quality or format that best fits your needs. Higher resolutions look better but create larger files and take longer to download. When you've made your selection, click Download. The file will begin saving to your default Chrome download location, typically your Downloads folder, unless you've changed that in Chrome settings. Video Download Helper supports many streaming formats and a wide range of websites, including adaptive streams like HLS or Dash. In those cases, it may combine video segments in the background. Just let it run until it finishes. If you don't see download options, the site may use protections or a format that isn't supported. One important note, the Chrome version of Video Download Helper may not support downloading from YouTube due to Chrome Web Store policies. Always respect website terms and copyright laws, and only download content you have the right to save. That's it. You've installed Video Download Helper, pinned it for easy access, and learned the basics of downloading videos on supported sites.